want to show you 4 different ways that you can use your wreath sash and the bow. The first way is to just use the bow. You're going to come over the top of the wreath. You want to leave the front part longer than the back because you're going to take that front piece, wrap it around and through. And then that gives you a pretty bow. Which is cute as can be by itself. You can also take your monogrammed wreath sash and you're going to run it through the back. If you take these 2 sections and hold it forward, it makes it a lot easier. You're going to run that through the back. Hold on to your little section, pull it through, and then all you have to do is just fluff your bow a little bit, and you've got another look. The third way is to take your corresponding, coordinating fabric sash, and you can take this and the same thing. You want to grab these 2 and hold them, and then you're going to take this and run it behind. And then you can get that how you'd like it, and come back up here and just fluff your bow up again. And that gives you a completely different look. The last thing that you can do is take this coordinating fabric and make another bow behind this. So if you take this, make a loop, take the tail, you're going to hold the loop with your finger and you're going to run the tail again back through the knot. And then while you're holding all of that, you're going to do the same thing on the other side. You want to make a loop, hold that loop, take the tail and wrap it through. So now you've got one tail, and you've got your bow with the coordinating fabric, and you've got your bow, your original bow. And that gives you a 4th look.